Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a quick how-to video on how you guys can enable drops on your Twitch. It goes for any game or where the streamer has drops enabled. As you can see from my homepage here, they have drops in the title. So depending on what game you're playing, you should be able to claim your drops. And I'm going to show you how in this video. So when you're in the home screen of Twitch on the top right, what you want to do is click on your little icon and you want to go down to where it says drops and rewards. So when you're in this section, you should see a bunch of random games. I think it all depends on what games you actually watch. But if we scroll down to a game I actually been watching, let's say the new Battlefield Call of Duty beta, you can see I've been watching some streams that had drops enabled, and I'm actually slowly ranking up the progress on a lot of this stuff, including the beta. Now, what you need to also do before you do any watching, on the left hand side, you would see where it says connect. This is where you connect your Twitch and game accounts to use the drop. So for the Call of Duty one, if I did hit connect, it would bring us to the Call of Duty page. And if you already have an account, or if you don't, you just make one. You connect it to your Twitch after you sign in. And then once you connect it to your Twitch, it would be connected right here. It goes for pretty much any game. For Marvel Rivals, if I wanted to do the same thing, it brings me to their website for Twitch drops. And they even give you steps on how to do it. Step 1, log in. Step 2, connect your Twitch account. And then you're good for drops. So it pretty much goes for every game. You just got to connect it. But also, because I'm going to use Call of Duty as an example for this one wasn't here until I started watching the video. So for example, if you do not see Call of Duty beta, you would need to go to someone's stream and start watching, and then it'll pop up here. So we're just going to pull up Tim the Tatman here, and you can see in his title it says drops are on, which is good. Now if you watch them while they're muted, it will not actually count towards your drop time. So you have to have them unmuted. What I usually do is I just have them very, very low, but still not muted. And I either minimize them or I just go to a different tab, do whatever you got to do, and eventually the time will build up. And while I'm watching him on the top right, I can click on my account. You can see the drops already here. It says 50% progress towards Call of Duty Black Ops 7 drops. You can click on it, and then you can just go to where the Call of Duty is. Where is it? Right here. And you can see how much more hours of watch time you need. Once it's done, you'll see something like this. There it says claim now. And then you would just claim it. Once you do that, you should have it in the game, depending on what it is. If it's an item, a character, a skin. For example, once the beta gets here, I'm going to claim it, and then I should be able to play the beta. Although I really don't care about Call of Duty in general, but that's just how you would get it. If you have any more questions about drops and rewards, drop them down in the comments below, and either me or someone else will definitely help you out. But for all the newcomers out there that have no idea how this works, hopefully this video helped you out. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if it did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.